Hello guys, Sagnika Dance School welcomes you to another exciting dance tutorial, Breakup Song from A Dil Hai Mushkil. This dance tutorial is for Nimra, Daisy, Ravlin, Jyoti, Charu, Asma and my most loyal fan Sameem Hussain. So let's start. This tutorial is divided into two parts. At the part 1 we will learn the female signature step और मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने breakup कर लिया, and at the part 2 we will learn the male signature steps with ओ तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने breakup कर लिया. दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुँह पे मेकअप कर लिया, अरे दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुँह पे मेकअप कर लिया. So what we did, दिल पे पत्थर रख के, दिल पे पत्थर, we are making heart shape with hand. So 1, 2, then we are रख के, हम रख रहे हैं ऐसे दाएं तरफ. Then we are doing मुँह पे. So we are bending our booty out. So like this, hand like this, मुँह पे makeup कर लिया. We are putting makeup on our face. So this hand is acting as mirror, the left hand, and with right hand we are putting makeup. 1, 2 like this, then lipstick. After that we are doing अरे दिल पे पत्थर. 1, 2, 3 like this. दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुँह पे. So after this we are doing 1, 2. First on your chest with 2 hands, then 1, 2, then to your cheeks. Right hand at right cheek, left hand at left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again मुँह पे makeup. So we are again pointing out on our face. So like this. सर को ऐसे हम हिला रहे हैं. So makeup कर लिया. So just a gentle shake, not very strong. Like this, कर लिया. ओ मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. So what we did, ओ मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने, first we are facing on left side. We are facing on our left, and right hand we are keeping it on the right side of our waist, and with left hand is staying here on our forehead, and open palm, and we are keeping it like this here, and we are doing ओ मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने. So 1, chest up, सैया जी से, then a ठुमका. 1, 2, again 1, 2. So 2 times facing at left side. सैया जी से आज मैंने. Then same on your right side. You are facing on right side. Right hand open palm is staying at your forehead, and left hand is staying on your waist, left side of your waist, and you are doing chest up, then ठुमका. Chest up and down, then ठुमका. So ओ मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर ली. After that ठुमका. So shoulder like this, like this, like this, like this. So then we have ओ मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. So what we did, ओ मेरे सैया, this hand, left hand on our waist, and with right hand we are doing 1. We are lifting it up along with our leg, along with our right leg. At the same time hand and leg is lifting up. ओ मेरे सैया जी से, this step, and immediately we are picking this step like this on our toes, on our left toes, like this. Then don't move your leg, just do your hand, the shoulder like this. 1 and 2, just 1 and 2. So what we did, 1, 2, 3, 4. ओ मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. So what we did, 1, 2, हमने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. So that type of expression and attitude, that type of. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So regarding fit, 1, 2. Actually you have a body bounce here. You are doing like this, like this, like this, like this, and hand 1, 2, 1, 2. And after that you are doing 1 2 1 2. So all together, ओ मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. Then we have सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया. So सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने. So what we are doing? सुबह सवेरे, hand like this, and we are just taking a step forward on our left side. So सुबह सवेरे उठ के, ऐसे हम उठ रहे हैं. We are waking up from bed. So सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ऐसे. Then ये सब कर लिया. We are going back, doing like this. ये सब कर लिया. 2 times. 1 2. We are reducing our height. 1 2. Then again we will pick up the steps, signature steps. ओ मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. Part 2, male signature step. हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया. अरे हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया. So what we did, हमको बिन बताए तूने, we are making a jump and we are sitting down, complete down. So what we are doing, हमको बिन बताए तूने, हम बैठ रहे, we are sitting down like this, and our left knee is up and right knee is touching the ground, and we are doing हमको बिन बताए तूने. During तूने we are doing like this, तूने ये कब कर लिया. And then we are gradually standing up, doing ये कब कर लिया. Then again we have अरे अरे हमको बिन बताए तूने. So regarding a leg, 1. Then again the same on the left side, 2. So 1 2. So हमको बिन बताए, just like this, then like this. So हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया. So we ended up like this here, and then we are doing 1 1 2 1 2. So 1, we are making a circle, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Circle ठुमका. हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया. अरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. So what we did, ओ तेरे सैया जी से. So regarding fit we are doing 1 2. So 1 2. I'm trying to break down the male signature step very slowly. So 1 2. In this movement your full body is involved. And regarding hand, 1. Suppose we are pulling something in, 1 then 2. So 1 then 2. You pull something in, then you send it up. You pull something in, send it up. 1 2. So सैया जी से काहे तूने. Again 2 times the shoulder shake. काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. This step is my favorite in the whole dance. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Regarding feet, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This movement is all on your tippy toes, both of your tippy toes, not on flat feet. तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. Then we again have all the male steps. सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया. Then again the male step. ओ तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. Anushka Sharma and Ranbir Kapoor, they have headphone on in the dance video. I also have used a headphone in my dance performance or breakup song. You can also try this. It will really be a fun and will look very entertaining. So friends, this was the dance tutorial for breakup song from Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Do watch it along with my dance performance of breakup song and let me know how do you like it. And if you like my work, become a subscriber on YouTube or follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And I will come back on next week with another dance and a tutorial. For then, take care, bye bye. I love you all.